We are a indigenously developed Indian-made metal 3D printing manufacturer. So today we are displaying here our product which is called STLR120. So this is a very compact and small size metal 3D printer which comes with a build volume of dia 120 by 175 mm. It comes with the technology, it works on the technology called laser powder bed fusion, where raw material will be in the powder form and the energy source will be a laser which will melt the powder as per the program generated with the help of software. It comes with a laser power of 400 watt and a scanning speed of 7 meter per second. We have also multiple variants of different sizes, STLR180 and STLR400. This comes with a recoater lip where it will spread the powder in the layer, whatever the layer thickness we give. And here we are showcasing lot of case studies from aerospace, tooling, die and mold, and lot of the critical components from the patient-specific medical implants. We are continuously developing the new technology. We have developed a lot of material powders. At present, we have more than 20 plus different variety of powders like inconel, titanium, stainless steel, maraging steel, aluminium, and all these powders has been developed with the multiple layer thickness, and all these parameters has been developed, and it comes with the package with the machine itself.